Claudia Maria Schiffer, German-born, the 25th of August 1970, is a German model and actress based in England. She rose to fame in the 1990s as one of the world's most successful models, attaining supermodel status. She holds the record for model with the most covers, listed in Guinness World Records. Her endorsements span luxury and high street brands, including Chanel, Versace, and Mango. Body measurement: weight 59 kilograms, height in feet 5'11", body measurements 3'5" to 4'36", hair color blonde, eyes color gray.